Let's find some shapes. Here we go. Shapes, shapes, watch them show. Circle, square, and triangle. Shapes are fun for one and all. Star and heart and rectangle. Sing the shapes, let's have a ball. Circle, circle, round and neat, like a ball or a yummy treat. Roll your arms around with me. A circle's round as round can be. Square, square, four sides the same, like a window or a picture frame. Trace the sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. A square has corners, can you draw? Triangle, count to 3. 3 pointy corners, can you see? Up and down and side we go. A triangle puts on a show. Rectangle, long and tall, like a door along the wall. 2 long sides and 2 that small. A rectangle's the best of all. Star, star, up in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, way up high. Reach your hands and shine with me. A star's as bright can be. Heart, heart, I love you. A happy shape for me and you. Hug yourself and sway with me. A heart is full of love, you see. Oval, oval, like an egg. Stretchy circle, watch it beg. Wiggle, stretch, and bounce with me. An oval's round but long, you see. Wiggle, wiggle all around. Shake the shapes up and down. Faster, faster. Here we go. Now freeze and go again. Circle, square, and triangle. Star and heart and rectangle. All together, watch them shine. So many shapes, yours and mine. Bye bye shapes.